Jisoo, here's a wild one. A BTS title that teaches you 3 Korean words at once.
Oh, you mean blood, sweat, and tears.
That's the one. The English title is 3 words.
And the Korean title? The exact same 3 words. ttam, nunmul.
So, today, 1 title, 3 vocab words, plus a bonus. Let's go.
This is the easiest vocab you'll ever learn from a song. Ready?
Ready. Hit me with word 1.
First word. 피,
And what's that?
blood.
Just 1 syllable?
That's it. Short and powerful. 피. Second word. 땀,
Meaning?
sweat.
Also super short.
Korean loves short, punchy words. 땀. Third word. 눈물.
Let me guess. Tears?
Exactly. Tears. And here's a little bonus. 눈. That means eye. 물. That means water.
Eye plus water.
눈물.
Tears. That's beautiful.
Korean does that a lot. Small words building bigger ones. Now put them together, like the song. 피땀 눈물.
Blood, sweat, tears. And how do I say my?
Add 1 word in front. 네. That means my. 내 피땀 눈물.
내 피땀 눈물. My blood, sweat, and tears. Goosebumps.
Now the bonus. Blood, sweat, and tears, that's an idiom in English, right?
Right. It means putting in serious effort.
It's the exact same idiom in Korean. 피땀 눈물. It means your hard work, your effort.
So, what's the word for effort?
노력.
노력? Effort. Hard work.
So your blood, sweat, and tears, that's your effort. Everything you've got. Let's lock it in. I say the Korean, you give the meaning. Ready?
Ready?
피,
Blood.
땀,
Sweat.
눈물.
Tears.
네,
My
노력.
effort.
1 BTS title. 5 Korean words.
Best vocab lesson ever.
So next time you hear blood, sweat, and tears, you'll know the whole title.
내 피땀 눈물. I'll never forget it now.
Which BTS song should we break down next? Comment below.
And if this helps, subscribe. More BTS Korean every week.
Until next time, keep listening, keep learning. 안녕.
안녕. Bye, Army.